The Good Living 3.5 Fast Heating Aluminum Single Egg is a handy tool. It can be a small but mighty addition to any kitchen. This pan is designed for single servings. Think perfectly cooked eggs every time. The non-stick ceramic surface is a great touch. It makes cooking and cleaning easy. No more stuck eggs or messy pans. This Good Living 3.5 Fast Heating Aluminum Single Egg Pan boasts fast heating. The aluminum base helps it heat up quickly and evenly. This is great for busy mornings. You can whip up a quick breakfast in no time. It is not just for eggs. Its versatility shines when making pancakes or French toast. You can even cook small omelets with ease. The size is ideal for these single-serve items. The Good Living 3.5 Fast Heating Aluminum Single Egg Pan comes in various colors. This adds a fun touch to your cookware collection. The non-stick ceramic coating ensures food slides off easily. Cleaning is a breeze, and it saves you time. While it's great for single eggs, remember its size. It's not meant for large meals. This pan is a simple yet effective tool for specific cooking needs. Pros: single egg size, non-stick, ceramic coating, great for eggs, good for pancakes, good for toast, good for omelets, easy to clean, small size, easy to store. Cons: not easy to clean, egg might stick, poor quality, small size, uneven heating, short lifespan. Only for small burners, might warp features. Fast heating, aluminum, single egg pan, non-stick, ceramic, frying pan, pancakes, French toast, omelets. This Good Living single egg pan is made from aluminum, which helps it heat up quickly. It has a non-stick ceramic coating, so your food won't stick to the pan. This small 3.5-inch frying pan is great for making one egg, pancakes, French toast, or a small omelet. It comes in different colors. This Good Living single egg pan is a small, non-stick pan with a ceramic coating that heats up quickly and comes in different colors. It's designed for cooking single eggs, pancakes, French toast, and omelets, and it's easy to clean and store due to its small size. However, some users have reported that it's not always easy to clean. Eggs might stick, the quality could be poor, it heats unevenly, has a short lifespan, is only suitable for small burners, and might warp.